for Les Vergers Boiron, manufacturing company, family-owned company who produce frozen fruit purees. We invited frozen fruit purees in 70s for B2B business, for ice cream makers, pastries, and restaurant business. We do 100% natural fruit solutions. So they are. We have two range of product: the frozen ones and ambient, in ambient temperature, in Tetra Pak, like that.
Which is what you're looking at now. Those are the ambient.
Ambient range, shelf stable.
Shelf stable.
Shelf stable. They are very useful for cocktail mixologists. This one for cocktail business, and frozen one. It's our premium range. It's very convenient for restaurant business, to ice cream shops and pastries, confectionaries.
Okay, it looks delicious.
We have more than 60 flavors in our range in frozen.
60 flavors, and so. The primary use is in bars?
In bars, ice creams, confectionaries.
Okay, so also as an ingredient in ice cream.
Yeah, it's ingredients, the perfect ingredient to make ice cream, because it's the pure fruit.
It's a pure fruit?
Pure fruit, without nothing, without any additive, coloring, even there is no sugar inside.
Yes, that's fantastic. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.